Hey guys, I'm rolling through Rock Hill, South Carolina. We had a huge hailstorm and windstorm here. You see the cars with the windshields knocked out of them everywhere. All the debris, there's debris everywhere. Hail damage on the house, right through the siding. There, that one also. More cars with hail damage on them. I was at a friend's house during this storm, about some miles from here, and it took down their neighbors, probably 150-year-old oak trees. As you can see the damage. Coming up here in some cars. Windshields, hoods, just beat to death. People out cleaning up.